Welcome to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. And what do I have for you today? Rosemary roasted potatoes. Again, a wonderful recipe for a side dish or just to serve the way it is for a snack. Let me tease you just a little bit. Look at these roasted potatoes. Soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. What could you ask for better than this? Take about 1.5 pounds of potatoes, remove the skins if you like, or leave them on, that's up to you. And now I want you to chop them into 1-inch cubes or pieces. And none of the pieces are going to be even, so don't worry about it. Now I want you to dry the potatoes the best you can and add them to a large bowl. Add about half a teaspoon of salt, more or less, whatever you'd like. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And don't forget the onions, 1 teaspoon of onion flakes. And this will give it a nice, rich taste. And here it comes, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Now you can use fresh if you like. Add some black pepper and go ahead, add as much as you want. And to almost finish it off, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I want you to pour it right on top of the dried rosemary to get it active and hydrated. So now I want you to mix it up really well, and I shall be back. Get yourself a large baking tray, put some baking paper on top, and let's just drop those potatoes on top. And once again, I'm a perfectionist, so I'm separating them, but you don't have to worry about them touching with this recipe. Drop them into your preheated oven of 400 degrees, and we're going to leave them in there for about 30 to 35 minutes. And every now and then, just give your tray a hard shake. Okay, let's see how it turned out. It turned out absolutely awesome. Now if you want it a little bit browner, just leave it in there for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now to make sure the potatoes are done, just take a fork and stab it into the thickest potato, and it should go in very easy, just like that. So I hope you enjoy my video. Please watch my other videos, and all I can say now once again is goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye now.